Think HIIT is only for elite athletes? Or that it's too intense for most people? Well, think again. Today, we're busting the most common myths about high-intensity interval training and diving into why HIIT might just be the perfect workout for you. Backed by science. Myth 1. HIIT is too intense for beginners. Reality. HIIT is scalable. Beginners can start with lighter intervals and shorter durations. You don't have to go all out on day one. Adjust intensity to match your fitness level. Myth 2. HIIT requires fancy equipment or a gym. Reality. Most HIIT workouts can be done with just your body weight. Think jumping jacks, burpees, and high knees. Myth 3. You need to work out for hours to see results. Reality. Research shows as little as 15 to 20 minutes of HIIT can deliver substantial fitness and fat loss benefits. Why HIIT works for all fitness levels. HIIT alternates between short bursts of effort and recovery. Recovery periods allow beginners to catch their breath, while advanced athletes can push themselves harder. Here's an example. 20 seconds of jogging in place, followed by 40 seconds of walking. This can be adapted to any fitness level. Science-backed benefits of HIIT. Fat loss. Studies show HIIT increases metabolic rate and fat burning. Even after you've finished exercising, the afterburn effect. Heart health. Regular HIIT can improve cardiovascular health by boosting heart rate variability and lowering blood pressure. Time efficiency. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Physiology found HIIT delivers similar results to traditional cardio in half the time. Now you know, HIIT isn't too intense, it's not just for the pros, and you don't need hours or fancy equipment to get started. So, why not give it a try? Start small, stay consistent, and let the results speak for themselves. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and share this with someone who might still believe these myths. Let's get moving!